Hi, I'm here to show you this wireless doorbell from Avantek. It's right here in this box, and we're going to unbox it here and see what's in the box. See, we've got the transmitter, we've got the actual doorbell itself, and there's some sticky strip to go on the back of this, like that, so you can mount it. There's actually two of them, so you have an extra one. And then there's instructions. Okay. And let's see here what it says in this thing for instructions. I think it's pretty easy to pair. It's in all kinds of languages. Pairing the receiver. The receiver has been paired with the transmitter by default, so you don't need to do that at all. So all you have to do is simply plug this in. I'm going to take it and plug it in for you. So you can see it work. Okay. You probably heard that, didn't you? I'm sure you heard that. That was me plugging that in. And on this side, we're all right. Now, let's push it. One more time. That's nice, isn't it? I think that's pretty cool how that works. I don't know what it's doing. It's going crazy on me. All right. Let's do that one more time just to see what happens here. Okay? So we're gonna push the, there we go. So it rings twice for every touch of the button, okay? So if you want to stick it on your door, you just peel that sticky off and put it there, and then stick that to the door.